Hello guys, good morning to everyone. We are here again. Once in a the same as usual. Weekdays, beach time, hang out here in Melrose. Okay, a little bit crowd, but not totally crowd. There you go. Here you go. People there have also young people there. So yeah. So see this? My husband was arranging it. There's another their group of huh? Say mo to ka. Imo nang gilaktong kwan. Taod sa nang kwan di. Okay, here you go. Oh, you could see there all closer. We are close to the pier. See that? Dumaguete. A lot of boats. A shipping boat. Yeah. We're closer. You could see that we are closer here. The back of that. The boundary of this is Melrose is you know, the Port of Royal guys waterfalls resort, close to that one next for the Melrose beach. So they're playing some of the younger here by group, cottage to cottage. So here the fishing boat, a bunch of fishing boats here. So you can see, and yeah, it's a low tide, not so bad, not so, just normal. Okay, there you go. People here in the beach. Walter was always be here once in a week days guys. We're here because he doesn't like weekdays, weekends, I mean weekends, because it's so crowd. He doesn't want crowd and also noise. No, he loves to stay in the beach by relax, enjoying is peaceful, quiet place, and not crowd. So yeah, that's what Walter like it. The places like this, it comes to the beach. So this is our hangout every weekday. Look at the Apo Island. It's like closer here. Yeah, it's closer here. The Apo Island. So I never been there. Hopefully I could go there. Let's see if I have my family. I let them to treat there in that island, because some of I heard the comments is nothing is there, only just diving. So I'm not a diver, I'm not but I love to dive, snorkel like this. That's oh guys, look at them playing. Wow, enjoy and play here. Yes, they enjoy playing the volleyball. yesterday. Bunch of boats, fishing boats, a lot of fishing boats. Yeah. This is also another family going out to the beach. Look at there. I love the Apo Island. Is you can see the mount of the mount, the island of the Mount Apo. So clear today. You can see it's closed here. It look like a close. Seems like you can swim. Like in Camiguin and our beach in Cagayan de Oro. You can see the island of Camiguin. You go to the ocean. Look at them. And happy days, happy hours. Happy weekdays and happy Thursday, guys. Relax and enjoy here on the beach. Ocean, smell the ocean. Not so windy. You can see the flag. A little breeze only. Not strong breeze. Okay. I think it's raining last night. You could see the sun here. It's like rainless. It was a little bit wet. Probably last night. I don't hear it. Time. Happiness time. This is happiness of Walter. Happiness, enjoy and relax. I hope my family will be coming here in June next month. I hope. I hope we could have a budget for coming here. Look at the basket. We're watching here. Passing by the boats, shipping boats. While sitting here in the lunch bench, and I don't know what this time to. Maybe this is from Bohol, or this is for Bohol. I don't know. I think Bohol is there because there is a green, what is Montenegro or Allison, I don't know. Seems like Allison barge. Okay. Basket. Ocean jet. Closer to us. Look at that. They will be crossing to each other. The Allison. Yeah, look at them. They will be passing each other, guys, across each other. They're closer now. Look at, they're both closer now. They're both closer. Look at, they're both closer, passing by. Yeah, this is Allison. I don't know. Seems like. Look at them. Look at them. Passing by you. Hey. Okay, look nice. Look nice, guys. Oh. Seems like traffic in the ocean. Okay, they pass by. Both them, the Basket, Ocean Jet, and I know it's Allison. I cannot read Allison or Montenegro, but I think it's Montenegro, Allison. This is, I know, Basket is Ocean Jet. Guys, they're singing happy birthday to you. I think they're eating now because they're singing already. I'm late before I turn on my camera, my video camera. So they singing happy birthday already. Oh, see, they're all eating. Usually here, guys, celebrating the birthday, they spend the birthday here celebrating because very cheap here to celebrate your birthday. You just only pay for the cottage and you can enjoy also swimming, whatever you want in the beach, playing like them they playing lately. Enjoying. Usually here is time for arriving in Dumaguete. The shipping boat also there is leaving. That one is also leaving here in Dumaguete. Time for leaving and time for arriving in the pier. This shipping boat. There's another here there behind. You see there? There's a coming arrival in Dumaguete. They are closer already. Time for arrival, and this one is time also for arrival. And that green one boat, shipping boat, is for leaving here in Dumaguete. Not bad. Life is life. Life, relax, relax. Life. Okay. Arriving. Okay, it's like a dome now. People, a lot of people there. And okay. Oh, swimming time for the young people here. So, bunch of little bunch now coming this beach. Okay, swimming time for the young people. They're enjoying. People here enjoying the water. Okay, there was a leaving boat again. I don't know where's the destination and what shipping boat. So enjoying people here, swimming and playing there. There's a lovely place. Okay. Life here in the beach. Playing, people, young people. Okay. Oh wow. The people, the fishermen there, the fishermen are preparing their going in the ocean for fishing. I don't know where they go, the destinations. They preparing for their stops. You see there, guys? Maybe they're going to Cebu, or there's another there. It's time for them going to the laot, away from the here. Okay, leaving the shipping boat. Busy people, busy. Playing. This time I'm also busy for just looking there, looking for people here inside in Melrose. There are a lot of boats here. There was a cargo shipping boat standby. And the other one too. There are two, and the rest is for fishing boat. The three for fishing boat. So we're close to the pier, guys, for port of Dumaguete. Okay, bunch of guests here, parking there, the trucks, more trucks here. Maybe, and also the bau, the motorbike. Okay, bunch there, parking. So a bunch of guests today. Not so crowd, a little bit. Enjoying. See the tracks there. Tracks. The ride is tracks. Okay. I just go to the bathroom, guys. I'm going to the bathroom. I make my pee. I do my pee, guys. Here they have a bathroom closer to the cottage. So this is the view here. Surround here. My husband sleeping again. There's another visitor here. Okay. Enjoy lang, guys. Look at my housemate. Look at the dogs. Look at the dogs. Sleeping is in the table of the cottage. Bunch of dogs. Bunch of dog here. We have a lot of dog here. Came here, there's a lot of chicken. First time we came here. Now it's chicks. A lot of chicks now. Baby hens.
Small.
Huh?
They were just tiny. They were still following their mother around.
Yeah, the hen.
But now they're by themselves.
The chick. Okay, cute, the baby hen as a baby's hen.
Yeah, there's another one. There's three of them.
There's a bird.
There.
Yeah, I know. They're getting bigger.
Yeah, that's quite a bit bigger.
They're getting more and more bigger now. You remember when we came here, a lot of there are big chicken. There's a rooster, there's a hen, more hen that time. Okay, look at the dog. Okay, here, oh. They're getting. Yeah, I know. The brown one. The mama.
She's watching.
Yeah, the mama is here. She's walking now. Look at. She is walking. They are here, closer to us. Yeah, see? They closer to their mama. Closer to mama. They follow the mama. Okay. Follow mama. They're digging. A food or what called this? The worm? The bugs? Yeah. Always. They're like TikToks and volleyball. They enjoy, kids. What's this? Somebody was looking this place. Maybe she wants to buy this. The owner, maybe the owner. Huh? They was talking each other. Oh, they have a guitar, singing also. Okay, time to relax. hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Enjoy time, time, time. Good time, good time, good time. Hang out. They doesn't go to away from their mama. Oh. Digging, digging, looking food, bugs. Oh, dogs. There's a dog. Big dog. Bird there. Okay, singing, enjoying the college student. Maybe they have a party here held in the closing party. Oh, fun. Enjoying them. Some of their classmates is playing a guitar while singing, and the rest playing the volleyball, and some is in the water swimming. Oh, celebrant, birthday celebrant. Oh, chicken! They're closer to us. The mama, follow the baby. The baby, the chicks is following the mama, wherever their mama. Cool. Ala, getting tired. Instead of low tide, getting tired. The water is getting tired. Lately is it's getting tired. Huh? Yeah. Getting high tide. So look at how dirty. Oh my God. Our ocean bringing dirty. I don't know why the people they don't concern the environment for so dirty. A lot of trash floating in the ocean. See that? Seems like a dirty here, yeah? There or there? Because a lot of houses there. Oh, there's a houses there. They don't they don't care, the environment people. Oh my goodness, that's the problem. Okay, another boat going leaving, departure to Dumaguete. From Dumaguete, don't know where they go. Departuring now. This is another shipping Pascat. Yeah, it's Pascat, yeah. Yeah, it's not a barge. Okay. What is in the beside? There's something in beside. There is something in beside carrying, or crossing also. I don't know. You didn't see something there in the side? Look at.
Yeah, in the back.
There's a boat? Yeah. What's happening with that? You see that guy in the side? Huh? Something there is. Okay.
It's pretty, that could be far away.
I think they carry something. Huh? A boat? No.
The boat on the side could be far away.
Oh, that's far away?
Could be, yeah.
It's like they follow. If it is, look at they're moving the same time. Possible it's behind this boat because they're moving the same time.
It's not behind, it's far away.
No, look at imagining. Since they're the same moving. She was carrying the boat. The shipping boat is carrying something that I don't know what is that. I don't know what is that. Because if it is behind them, so this one is going there and that one is here, straighting here with us. It's not. Yeah. Young kids. Young kids. Playing. I think they're college, Hanya. These young people here.
I've seen one of them swimming.
Yeah, they're celebrating birthday. I heard they're singing at a birthday, or they have a party also for closing party. They make together. Okay. Because it's the end of the school, so usually the school they have already a closing party. In the Philippines, they have that closing party. You see, Kiara, they have a closing party, pajama party. She won a pajama smile. She won a pajama smile. She was the one who making for that. That's the way our Philippines, the DepEd already have that closing party, approve that closing party for school year closing party. They approve that the CHED or the DF, the Department of Education, Public Educational. That's hitting him. You know that game? Hit the ball in your
Dodgeball.
body.
Dodgeball.
Yeah, no, hit. Just hit and...
Oh yeah, it's called dodgeball.
What?
Dodgeball. You don't want to get hit by the ball.
Yeah. You need to... away from the ball and
Why they call it
escape.
dodgeball.
Say it again, I don't.
Dodgeball.
Oh, that ball.
If you're dodging the ball, you're trying to get it.
Oh, okay. I cool. That's a very cool enjoyment. Young college is or high school life is very the best. For the college, for me is high school life is very the best. Rather than college, no. The memories of high school a lot rather than college. A lot of fun. Okay. Okay. Bunch of people here. The road. Busy, busy. Crowd, crowd. A little crowd. Picture, picture. We need to eat. I need to eat. I'm hungry. Seen already. We're leaving. They parked there standby for a while, then I think for going to the far from this side of the ocean. For fishing boat. Bibo, bibo, bibo. Kids.
Sila nga din eh, kung video ko nung nag-license kay Terwin, kamang daw.
Now they
No,
now they make you get
they need it now. Kay gihimo they approve ng public transportation, pero sa uban nga location para Manila,
not public transportation. It's
they are not allowed
even if
in
they,
the highway.
even if they own it privately, you're not going to be you're not allowed in the highway anymore anyway.
Mhm.
No,
No, no, no,
allowed
no.
in the highway, but they got to be registered, licensed, and everything.
Uh-huh.
And these people are not going to spend that much money. They didn't pay that much money for it.
Ano siya license, permitted permit na sila. Pwede na sila makabuy og franchise. Franchise also kung imo i kuan operator ka magpa.
That guy that's on David his YouTube is Overstay. That's the one that at the end he's standing on a big long dock and he's looking. I said that's one of the best innings of anybody. He stole one.
But I heard from
And he used to
Manila.
drive it everywhere. It was good. And he was charged, of course.
I heard the news from Manila. Marcos was already not approved to run the electric motorbike to the highway. Not allowed. Only they have an area that they can put area that is not along the highway.
Well, once they register,
And also the bike.
They have a place they want to.
Like that bike motorbike. It's like that.
Philippines is not set up for electric vehicles.
But some
You go
of
to California, instead of
in
gas,
Bohol they allow already. Bohol they allow. We talked already that one. You heard the guy. He said, "Ma'am, they approve already. We're running Baobab. Even here, Dumaguete, that one the guy. He said, "Ma'am, they approve already. We have already a license. We have also a franchise, but we have an area that we can only allow to pick up the passenger. They're only there by area. So that's good. Yung, yeah. Because you remember that Chito that we met in the
Electric bike. Gamit
She-
mo ang electric bike.
he is the
Still a motorcycle.
she was
Kuan.
kuan.
Like motorcycle. Still runs like motorcycle. It's just electric.
She was the officers for the operator of the in Robinson. That one we have service. She's the head. Good, that's good. You're a president, yeah, ma'am. I'm a president in the Robinson. Oh, good. That's
Kaya atong gingnan ni Michelle nga day mo bilib si Claudio anang motorcycle there is Philippines. I don't know that's them.
they playing here. They move it.
Stupid game.
It's playing volleyball, small volleyball. That's their tent. Neat. Lang neat. Walang volleyball ba neat? Wali. Making stupid. They have mango, oh.
Ana nang engine.
Indian ba rin na?
Saan ka nakakita ng engine apple? Boy? Saan ka nakakita ng lugar ng engine apple? Engine sa aging yan. Nice the apple.
They took his pants.
Huh? Who's that? You talking about?
Saka ninyo na.
Ayaw, labay. Pag sa kat-kat na lang, di mo kakat-kat?
Dili kay makaigong mo ba? Ay, kalera na. We are so
Bitaw. Basin ba mo makaigo diagwan, makadisgrasya mo? Pagbuhat na lang mong sungkit katong kawayan ito, ah. Sungkit mo? Bago, ano lang ninyo yung self. Di na mayong labay-labay kay makahiton niya mo kuan diya something. Ng bataan eh. Wala, mabanda sa inyo ha ba pag ikuan ninyo. Sa inyo na noon na
Ana lang ninyo na. Dali pa ng motoran.
naisungkit to. Oso, nakakita siya sungkit to. Mayo na.
Ganahan mo ko an mangitag paagi.
Paagi gyud. Mukaon ganing ta. Mangita tigda paagi nga maka. Oh, see? Simple. Ala, ting bira ang mga lain siya ang ga. Ala. Mga basta, hoy, di. Kaya hay ba ni mga bataan ang pang kuan ha? Sakyanan ha? Aya pag ana.
Bukid mo dati. Ala ni nakaw kay katsunan galit.
Ah.
Nakita mo sila dalaga diri. Ulay dalaga diri.
Dalagang ulay. Dalagang ulay. Nay dalaga din niyo. Nay dalaga din niyo.
Single mama.
O ba dong? Ay, ginawa ka na yung mga kids. Ano man yung isa, wa may mangga. Ano yung wala mo na siya nakakaunang isa. Ang isa walang iya.
Ay mo din, sada single mom.
Ah.
Ano ka na, Pam?
Oh, naa. Ngano man? Dik na, istoryahi.
Wala, ma'am.
Murag wala mo ba? Wala ko anak.
Wala na, ma'am.
Dalagang may gatas.
Talo-taloan sa di masyadong da.
Lost the ball on the car.
Ha?
Lost the ball on the car.
Oh, naa. Ilan mo anak, ma'am? 5.
5 ang pangalan di mo anak?
Wow.
Nice, bro na.
Akong anak, pulo ka buo.
Ikaw si ko.
Oh. Ikaw ang sigong ka.
Ikaw si to. Kuha.
Oh, ikaw ang sigong.
They're tired. Okay. It's dark.
Muli ko.
Huh? Wala ko nang utan na kay Nana gidi. Nana ko yung anak, ma'am. Nana ko yung anak, ma'am.
Domestic ang asawa. Nanimpalat na lang tawag.
Muli mo
Kay
nga.
tungod sa bataan ko pa siya. Wapo siya nga kang pinagtrabaho.
Nag-video siya, oh. Siya yung video. Kanila. Nag-enjoy po yung mga lalaki. Napaday sa ilay nana, no? Mga lalaki. Kabuang. Okay, guys. We're gonna leave now. We just pack our things. So, yeah, we're time to leave for 32 already. My husband is also keeping all our stuff already, guys. Where's my housemaid is paying for the bills here. Entrance. Why? Put there.
The cooler is not going to fit that there.
Okay. Huh? Doesn't fit it there?
Yeah, it's going to, yeah, the other cooler is going to come on the other side. I don't know why she put the chairs back there. But it won't take it.
Your beer, who?
Yeah, don't knock it down.
Oh. Asa namang wala na nagkuhan dito?
Box.
Imo nang gi-check?